Well, we just left High Tech Auto Trim. They do all of our window tint, truck accessories. That's where I got the wheels and tires from. And mentioning wheels and tires, that is actually where we are going right now. We just had them mounted and balanced. New sensors put in them and everything. So once we pick those up, I think I might go to the shop and throw them on. I need to put the leveling kit, shocks, all that good stuff. So we will see how all that goes. This right here is one fine piece of machinery, and we're gonna make it look even neater today. All right, get over here. So, as you can see from the title of the video, we have ourselves here one of the cleanest 09 third gen, obviously, one of the cleanest 09 Rams that I have seen in a very long time. This is a definition of clean one owner. I mean, you got pawpaw style, you got mud flaps, you have the chrome tube steps. I mean, there's not even tow mirrors on it. So, pawpaw style right here. But it is going to be non-pawpaw style because we are putting, I say all of these goodies, I mean, it's really not a whole lot of goodies, but hey, it's a lot better than it was before. So, to start off with, we're gonna do Ready Lift coil spacers. You know, I tried to find full coils for this, like full leveling coils. They don't make them. Like, oh, except for like Thurin or like Carly Fadden. Those are like really expensive.
It's just not in the budget.
Yeah, not in the budget. We got Bilstein. I don't know, what do you say? Bilstein?
I would go Bill Stein because this all looks German.
Okay, so we'll go Bill Stein. 5100s. And to pair with those, we are getting some fuel hammers and recon grapplers, 35 1250s. These are 20 by 10 fuel hammers with, oh man, I think negative 18 offset, negative 12 offset, something like that. So nothing crazy. This is not my truck, by the way. This is my dad's truck, but he wants it to look a little better than this.
Newly purchased.
Yeah, newly purchased. He just got it a few weeks ago. So he said, hey, get it tinted. Check. Hey, make it look neat. Check. Well, soon. Check. Next, probably color match, grill, bumpers, mirrors, headlights, taillights. Really make it stand out.
This thing doesn't have cab lights, and it's kind of a travesty.
Yeah, you know, I really don't feel like drilling holes in the roof, though.
No.
I don't know if he'd want me to drill holes in the roof either. But
probably not.
Okay, so.
Bed cover?
Bed cover. Truxedo Pro X15. One of the nice ones. Have you ever seen a Pro X15?
I do. My dad used to have them.
Oh.
I think it's a classic dad thing to have.
You know, you will have that on them big jobs. Okay, so we'll probably start with this and those leveling kit and shocks. I hope this doesn't end as badly as it did with the 5500.
You're going to have to like cue in. Right there, you're going to have to put a photo of you with the drill in your hand.
Yeah, with like the big old hole.
Yeah, you're going to have to, as soon as, you're just going to have to clip it in. I hope this doesn't go as bad as 5500. And just gray and sad music. Photo of you. You have to.
In the arms of the angels.
And let's get to it. You know, my girlfriend always said that she liked bad boys.
These are crimes against humanity.
since we did the whole driver's side and didn't explain a single thing, the whole reason we're doing this video is to kind of explain this. So you need 1, 2, 3 sizes. You need a 15 for here and here. So for the top of the shock, or well, for the shock tower mount, I guess. And then also for
sway bar length.
What's that? Sway bar length. You're right. And then you need a
19.
19 for the top of the shock.
Mm-hmm.
And what was down there?
22.
Hold, please. Go back. And you need a 21 millimeter for the bottom, which is like up in here. You got to go through the hole, and yeah. So 3 sizes, and I would say probably undo sway bar link first, then the shock tower mount, then the top of the shock, then the bottom of the shock, and everything comes right out. I mean, this is 1,000 times easier than the 5500.
In the arms of the angel.
Because there's actually a place to like work. You can get to it from the top without having to drill holes with a 4-inch hole saw, and it's just much easier to work with. And now we know this is where this is indexed. You know what? I'll probably take a marker and mark that, so I know exactly where this is. And then, yeah, we'll
help ourselves a little bit.
Yeah, I think that'll help. You know, we're real thinkers around here. So what we learned is that you need to have both sides off. Ain't that right?
That's right. It's a lot easier that way.
But yeah, made our mark. Got both sides off. Now this is all unbolted with our 3 different bolts.
3 different. 15, 19, 21.
There you go. Okay. I'll try to get this out. Factory, I don't even know what this is called, but like studs, I guess. So I'm just trying to line these 3 up with the factory ones, and then
with the ye ol' eyeball.
Now we're good. Try to put the top in first and then slide the bottom in. See how well that goes. Hopefully it goes better than this thing come out.
Springs back in, absolutely 0 issues at all. I don't know why you people struggle with this. It's really not hard. But maybe have a buddy.
All right, we are back in the shop. It is the next day because we didn't get our lug nuts with our new wheels. So those should be here any minute now. I think the guys from High Tech are bringing those, but got rear shocks on. So while we're waiting on the lug nuts, we are going to throw this bed cover on real quick. It's a Tuxedo Pro X15. I mean, it comes with instructions and everything, so if you want to put one on, I'm probably not going to go through like the whole spiel of it. I didn't take a video or a time lapse or anything, but got the cover on. Pro X15. The guys from High Tech actually helped me put it on, so it took about 4.5 minutes. So like I said, there's really no point in me even doing a time lapse, but now we're on to the wheels. So I will set up that. Well, there you have it. Phase 1 of the old 3rd gen budget build. Tonneau cover, new shocks, leveling kit up in there. Had to take the tire stickers off. But, actually, you know what? Hold on one second. We don't need this where we're going. Get that thing out of here. Okay. That's better. I don't think I have shown anyone the inside of this truck yet, but it is extremely clean. It's got 130,000 miles. That was on the windshield, but when we tinted it. But yeah, sponsored by 3D and Dr. Pepper. But yeah, the thing is crazy clean. It's only dirty for me getting in and out here in the shop. I mean, I don't even think the back seat has even been sat in. Like, everything's perfect with it. This is mine. But it doesn't even have your typical, like, 3rd gen rust. Like, there's none even here. None even down there. Like, that right there is from, like, rock chips. It's just, like, a little bit of surface rust. So, like, nothing. This thing is so clean. Amazing. Well, here, I'll show you under the hood. I mean, my 2018 doesn't even look close to this. Oh, one more thing, too. So, I mean, these tires don't even look like they're going to come close to fitting. But we had to trim a little bit of the valance. Like, literally, this back side here. This was, like, up there. But trimmed that on both sides. And then, yeah. Other than that, we are good to go. So that's gonna wrap it up. I know it's been a while since I put a video out, but you know, we've just been busy. It's springtime, so we are starting to ramp up the landscaping stuff. We are doing a bunch of stuff for the landscaping business. We are doing a bunch of stuff behind the scenes here. I will say, one thing that would have been very helpful for this whole project with the 3rd gen is a lift. And I think that on the next video, we'll have something that can help with that, AKA we'll have a lift. So that is one thing that we need to work on soon. Yeah, we'll be rocking and rolling. We got figure 8 car build. Got a bunch of stuff to do. So hopefully we'll be kind of pumping out some more videos as the spring and summer roll through. And we might even do some landscaping stuff. We got some pretty cool projects coming up. So natural stone, some paver patios, some concrete, things like that. So comment below if you want to see some landscaping stuff. I don't know if this is going to be just a geo tracker channel, just a figure 8 car channel, truck channel. I'm not sure. I mean, heck, I'm open to anything. So if you have suggestions on stuff you want to see, we'll see how it goes. So I will see you guys in the next one.